Hey everyone, I am bringing you a huge haul today, and I've got 5 different stores to show you what I picked up from there. I mean, I don't have like a super ton of stuff, but it's just like from a bunch of random different places, and I'm trying to get it knocked out in one video. Let's just get started. So a couple years ago, Toys R Us partnered with Claire's Accessories, and they have Claire's merchandise. So we were browsing in that aisle looking for headbands, and I think it was 10 or 20% off. So it's still pretty spendy because, as you know, Claire's stuff is really pricey. And can I just say, I used to work for them at their corporate office in Illinois, and it was like the funnest job in the world. I was a merchandiser for them. And when they would pull markdowns, the buyers would come and pull markdowns. We basically got to pick whatever we wanted, and it was free. And this was years ago, like eons. This was when the first owners, the original creators of Claire's, still owned the company. So it was over 10 years ago. But anyway, I'm rambling. So I got a bunch of stuff for free. So had I known I would be like so much into charms and little bows and things, I would have gone absolutely nuts. But it's probably not like that anymore. And I've heard that they are not doing well either. So yeah, anyway, so I picked up some cute stuff at Claire's. So I'm going to take this apart and use these flowers individually, and I think I'm just going to give those bracelets to my daughter. And then I picked up these cute little, but I got them for the unicorns. I want the unicorn charms. So I grabbed those, and I am going to repurpose these bows. I might just leave them on the clips because I do really like the clips that are on them. Sometimes they have the fabric backing, but yeah. Anyway, so I got those. And then look at these cute little bumblebees. Ah! But I love everything about this. It's totally cute. So that's what I got at Toys R Us. So random, but hopefully it makes more sense now. And then from Aliexpress, I got some bells, and I took a couple out of the bag because they look horrible in the bag, as you can see. So I got this pink strawberry, and they jingle really well. So jingle really well. And I got red ones, and then I got another one of the pink. Okay, there we go. And then look at these cute little bunnies. Isn't that so cute? And the detail on these is really nice. See on the side? Like, I really like those. And then I also picked up some little rubber ducky ones. And these little mini bells, which I'm kind of unhappy about like all the green. But come Christmas time, I'll probably be excited to have all those because I'm going to make a ton of Christmas charms. Anyway. And then I got some sequins. So just check out the sequins. I think these were like $1.42. You get a ton of sequins, you guys. Like, that is a lot of sequins in that bag. So I got purple stars. I got purple hearts. I got like these coral peach hearts. Just so gorgeous. These yellow hearts. This fun mix. And then I got these, oh, why is my camera? And then these are really tiny little stars. I feel like those are smaller. Oh, those are smaller. Wow, they're like super tiny. Fun. And then there's like this really pretty green. This is probably my favorite one out of all of them, which is so weird because it's not really my favorite color. I just like it. And then I have these green hearts. And these white kind of mix. I plan on mixing those in with other things, but there's all kinds of different shapes in that mix. And then holographic, my favorite. These stars. We're super excited to find those. And can I just say, I just bought a can of this same mix from Target for $3.99, and this was $1.40 something. I don't know. It's so funny. I'm like, do they get their stuff from China too? I don't know. But anyway. So I spent, for all of this sequins, it was less than $15. So I got all that. And it got here super fast. I feel like it took like 2 weeks maybe, which I know that just sounds like a long time. But coming all the way from China, it's really not too bad. So there's that. I'll show you what I got from scrapbook.com because I'm really excited about a couple things. Oops, let me put it over here. So this paper pack from Echo Park, imagine that. It's really girly and really kind of themey, if that's a word. But I saw it and I had to pick it up. I don't know why it called to me. It might be the unicorns, it might be the colors, just everything kind of vibing together. But I grabbed it. It was like $13, which is a good deal for a huge paper pack like this, and stickers. And I have a bunch of embellishments that go well with it, so I grabbed that. They are clearancing out the white gel pens, and I needed another one, so $2.99 I got one of these pens. And I had to have the envelope punch board. So excited to have that. From Alta New, this was so spendy, but I know I'm not going to regret it. And Paige Evans has a really awesome video. I'm going to link it below on how to use these. But I saw these on the Alta New Instagram and before they were released, and I was like, oh, I have to have those. So I finally got my hands on them. They were sold out, and I got them for cheaper than what Alta New's website would have because it's from scrapbook.com, and I think they had a sale that day. And then I thought this stencil was so beautiful, so I grabbed that. And then the Here and There stamp has also been sold out, and I have most of the collection. And so I grabbed that rotary roller stamp. And so those are the sentiments on there. And then how are we doing on time? Ooh, we better hurry. Okay. So, and then this is the coordinating sticker sheet. And I just love this because you get 2 sides. Sorry, I'm going fast. I'm not trying to. This was on clearance, and I loved the font. I think it was like $8, which isn't bad. It's a really nice size. Love the font. And then just the papers that I got. Again, they've been sold out of these, so I picked them up, of these cut-aparts, and then that's just the back. I got 2 of these envelopes because I'm gonna cut apart probably both of them. I don't know, I liked it. I got 2. That's the back. This one is so beautiful. It's just a big map, and then the back is arrows. And again, this is the Crepe Paper Here and There collection. Oh, I love the smell of paper. Taxi cabs with like a map. Whoa. That kind of scared me. This is my favorite one. I don't know. I love that print and that one. Oh, I can't choose a side. I should have grabbed 2 of those. Dang it. Well, I got 2 of these. And then I want to decorate my house in those colors. It'd be pretty. Okay, and then I grabbed this. And this one. So those are the papers that I grabbed from scrapbook.com. Really excited about all that. So I'm gonna move this because I have a bunch more stuff and I have to hurry. Okay, so I did score at Michael's, okay? Like I saw everyone the $1.20 stuff that went on clearance. Well, it's $2 now. So I have a bunch to show you. But I picked this up because all of their paper pads were 40% off. I don't know if you can see that, but just really cute. I love it. I love it because of all the gold foil and the unicorns, obviously. But this, I feel like would coordinate really well with my new Echo Park pack that I just showed you. Okay, so I got more of this stationery. I know I already have one. I bought 2 more because they were $1. Didn't I buy 2 more? I guess I didn't. Anyway, well, I have 2 now. I'm gonna give one away in Happy Meal. I really want to do a lemon swap because I have a bunch of lemon stuff. I grabbed another pack of these. Love flamingos. And they were $1, you guys. So couldn't say no. I grabbed these cards. These were all $2. I'm really not liking their new summer line. $2 for these as well. So I passed right on by and picked up more of this. So I grabbed this paper pack. I'm sure you guys have probably seen these in other Michael's hauls. So I'll just do quick flip throughs. Again, cute lemons, cute gold accents. And then I got this other coordinating one. And I love that they're double-sided. I've been working with a lot of single-sided paper lately, and I just am not liking that. I picked up this sentiment sticker sheet, and okay, focus, there we go. And it was $2. I had to get a unicorn. I should have got it when the coupon worked, but I didn't. I picked up these dies. I needed another flower. My silhouette is not working, so I had to have that for a project, a party that I'm helping with. And then I got these pineapple cards. I'm set on cards. Holographic love. I don't think I'm gonna have enough time to show everything. I got these really pretty unicorn and mermaid pencils. I don't know if I can give those away. I love them so much. I did pick up the shaker embellishments. And I grabbed 2 of these unicorn keychains with the little tassels, and I'm going to add charms to those, make them cuter. And I ended up going back in because I totally forgot to get this sticker, and I need this for my bullet journal. And I got it for the flowers and then the to-do. Like, I just loved it. So I totally looked through my stuff and remembered I forgot to get it. So I grabbed that. I did pick these up. I used a coupon on these. And they're just some pretty gems that I'm going to use to embellish. I grabbed another keychain. Again, I'm gonna add to that. I think I can make that super cute for like summer. And then these were 80 cents, so I picked these up for next year. And that's all I have from Michael's. And just real quick from Joann's, I grabbed this new Project Life mini kit. I'm really excited that they are carrying these. And it's the Maggie Holmes, what is that, Chasing Dreams? And then I needed this die, and it is the scalloped circles. I grabbed some jump ring. I found another pack of these, but I needed the pink because yeah. And then last thing is I got this cute charm for half price, and it's like a magnetic. Okay. It opens and shuts. It's a magnetic. Ooh, look, it's broken. Well, I guess, oh, I can fix that. I'll just add. No big deal. Anyway, that's my haul today, you guys. Sorry about all the blurriness, and if I'm talking really fast, I apologize. So, thank you so much for watching. Bye.